What's up everyone, I'll be unboxing the iPhone XS Max today. On the front you see the display of the XS Max, on the sides you see iPhone, and on the top and bottom you see the Apple logo. On the back you see the box content and the memory configuration. This is 64 gigs. Go ahead and take off the plastic. And removing the lid will reveal the Designed by Apple in California pouch, which contains a quick start guide, a SIM eject tool, and Apple logo stickers with a warranty sheet as well. Putting this stuff back in the pouch, go ahead and get to the star of the show, which is the iPhone XS Max. It's about the same size as the iPhone Plus series, but the display is about 1 inch bigger at 6.5 inches. Set that off to the side. Inside the box you get your traditional charging brick, your ear pods, and your Lightning to USB cable. No USB-C here, which is very unfortunate. With the ear pods, Apple finally removed the Lightning to 3.5mm dongle. So now if you want that, you have to purchase that separately. Putting the box to the side, let's get to the iPhone again. And look at that huge display. Removing the plastic will reveal that 6.5 inch OLED display. Not much has changed because this is an S series upgrade, so the design is pretty much the same as before. And there it is. So that was a quick look and unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. As you see, the huge display right there is pretty much the major difference between the 10 and the XS series. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.